How to use binary betting to reduce your trading risks. For fostering the possibilities of making more profits and for lessening the chances of creating a loss while trading, it becomes imperative for traders to recognize and comprehend systems other than spread betting. Spread betting undoubtedly has been a good but an extremely risky product to depend on, thereby giving rise to the urgent need for a safer and less risky trading product. Within this view, binary betting has emerged like a safer, productive, and a very profitable trading product for traders around the world. If you have been jeopardized by the flickering market trends and uncertainty prevailing around it, then by learning how binary betting can help you reduce trading risks will certainly relieve you from worries. Very well implicated through the name, in binary betting you will find only two opportunities that are available to the trader: either he accepts the proposition or rejects it. In this type of betting, the proposition is presented in offer price and bid terms only. However, the major facets which make binary betting less risky and safer are synopsized within the strides below. By simply getting acquainted with these points, you'll be au fait with the way it might help reduce trading risks. Binary betting can help you overcome the anxiousness that surmounts because of the capricious market and prevent losses. The reason being, by using binary bet products, you're aware from the beginning what amount you're destined to lose or earn throughout the trade. Therefore, you aren't oblivious and go ahead and take right decision for maximizing profits. For opening a binary betting account, you aren't required to pay a large amount because such accounts can be found at comparatively low prices. So you don't have to worry about making huge investments for opening the account.